Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX and today I'm going to be doing the most requested video on my channel, and that is the installation of my 2021 lock using BABYE. And here we are making it today. I'm really sorry that this video took me so long to produce, and that was because I had a lot going on in my life. I had exams, I had my son, I had to travel, I had a lot of things going on. So that's why it took so long to come. But today we are going to be doing it. So the way I'm going to be installing this hair is I'm going to be installing it in 5 ways. So I'm going to be using a lot of braiding pattern for this hair, so as to show you the 5 ways you can install this lock 2021 using BABYE. But the major braiding pattern that I'm going to be using for this whole hair is this braid pattern that looks like single braids that are interlocked together. This pattern makes it look like you have individual braids on, while in real sense it was connected. So after braiding this one, I'm going to braid other ones. I'm going to have a cornrow, I'm going to have a single braid standing on its own, and so on and so forth. So here I have different braid pattern, and you are going to be seeing why I made it so when I actually start the installation. I have cornrow, I have single braids, I have the ones that I haven't made, and that's because I want to show you how to do it even if you don't want to crochet. So this is my crochet here. This is how it looks if you tie this way, and when you slip it out, you're going to have your crochet hole looking like this. And when it looks like this, I personally feel that it's too bulky because of the amount of thread I used in making this. So I want to make it lighter by cutting off some parts. But you can install this on your hair like this, it might go. But because it's too bulky for me, that's why I just get my scissors and reduce all the crochet hole, so I can have a lighter hole that this hair can pass through any kind of braid. So here guys, I have this hair that haven't been made. So in case you don't have strength to make a crochet of these, or you just want to put it directly on your hair, you just make this just braid a little of the hair so that you can crochet through it. Put your crochet hook, grab your thread that has not been made, your BABYE, pass it through your hair, and then you start going through the processes over and over and over. But the reason why I do not really advise this method is because it might break your hair while you are trying to brush. So you hold it together, try as much as possible to cover your hair, your own real hair, with the bobby wool or whichever wool you are using. Then you go through the process we went through in the first video, just like this. Go through the whole process again. Doing this on your hair, you have to thread really closely so that you can find a way to cover your main hair so it doesn't break off when you actually start brushing this hair. The second installation method here is really easy and fast. You make your single braids if this is what you want to do all through your hair. Take your crochet pin, pass it through the single braid, get your crochet, bring it down and secure it, and then you take your crochet pin, put it in between your locks and take your natural hair and pass through it. This way your hair is going to be really secured and it's going to retain moisture. And so I really advise this one for people that want to secure their hair and keep in the moisture for long. So the way, if you do this well, if you do this lock well, your hair can go through this and still look really flawless. It will look as if there's nothing in it. As you can see in this video, how beautiful and how flawless it's coming out. It's just because there is no much time. We would have done this for all the hair. So the third installation method is quite simple, and that is the one I'm going to be using for major parts of this hair. Then the others are just as a tutorial. So the way I braided this hair, I braided it like an individual twist that are interlocked together. So it's just easy to take your crochet pin, pass it through the hair and lock it, and that is all. So this is really easy. So the fourth installation method is you can have all your hair in cornrow, just like this one at the back, and then just take your crochet pin, pass it through the hair and bring it down, then you're done. So this one is also really easy if you don't have time to do all the ones I've explained. So the fifth and the last one we are going to be practicing here is quite serious, and this one is for people that want to have this hair on for a very long time. I really like this one because you can do it on any locks. So it's to get a longer locks. When you make a longer lock, then you pass it through the individual braid that you've made. Take a shorter part of this lock and wrap around the hair. You wrap it so closely that your hair is not seen. So when you're done wrapping it around your hair, then you can get a needle and a thread and sew it down. So this one doesn't, you don't make this one and take it down the next day. It takes time. So maybe when you want to have a protective style for 1 month, 2 months or 3 months, you can do this. But I don't think you can take it down yourself. You need someone to really help you take it down gently and carefully. This installation really lasts longer, really long. So even when I made my own locks, not this method, this was the installation method I used in installing my locks, and I had this lock on for about 3 months. But one thing is, this lock is really hard to install on a longer hair unless you are going to fold it twice before you install it. Alright guys, I really appreciate you guys for watching, and I'm really sorry that this took so long before it came up. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and share this video. It will really help me grow. So this is the finished look of this hair. Some are looking blue, some are looking black, but that is how the wood I used came, and I had to use it that way. So this is the finished look, guys. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video once again. Doing this will really help me grow.